There are four sounds of vowel A. Which are they? They are A, O, and A. The first sound of vowel A is A. Let's learn the words having A sound. Bag, bat, cat. Dad, dam, pen. Pat, gap, hat. Jam, lab, lap. Map, pan, rat. Second sound of vowel A is A. Let's learn words with A sound. Car, jar, tar, bar. Arm, farm, harm. Scar, star, spar. Bark, dark, mark, park. Calf, palm, half, balm, calm. In these words, sound L is silent. Third sound of vowel A is O. Let's learn words with O sound. Tall, wall, call. All, mall, stall. Wash, watch, want. Saw, yawn, crawl. Claw, shawl, jaw. Draw, raw, law. Pawn, lawn, flaw. In these words, sound W is silent. Walk, talk, chalk. In these words, sound L is silent. Fourth sound of vowel A is A. Let's learn the words having A sound. Ray, pray, clay. Say, tray, spray. Day, stay, way. Pay, play, may. Nation, station, nature. Lady, navy, lazy, many. In this way, we learn four sounds of vowel A. Thanks for joining us.